Continuing our coverage now of the Delphi murders trial, the jury has gotten the case, and we do know deliberations got underway a little bit earlier today.
Those deliberations, though, pretty quickly ended just after about 2 hours, so no verdict will be coming tonight. Bob Donaldson, though, rejoins us live from Delphi. Bob.
Eric, there were many people here in Delphi who were somewhat surprised that the jury did end their deliberations for the day. After only about 2 hours, we saw those vans carrying the jurors as they left the Carroll County Courthouse behind us. The question now is whether or not that has any reflection or what that may mean for those deliberations. Joining us now to give us some insight is our legal analyst, John Tompkins. I'll start with that, John. Can we draw anything or make any conclusions at all about the jury deciding to stop deliberations so quickly today?
I think it's probably at most a sign that they're going to take their time. They're going to get ready to deliberate. They're going to get organized for their deliberations, and they're already taking it seriously.
Okay, tell me a little bit about what goes on in that jury room as they do their deliberations. In this case, they have so many exhibits that they have to go through.
Right. Well, a lot of what goes on, based on my experience when they come out, is you hear they're acting like they were at their own kitchen tables. They're treating each other with respect. They're letting everybody talk. They're hashing through everything, and they're having a discussion like many people may be having at home, only they have all the evidence and all their notes, and they're going towards an actual final decision.
You've interviewed so many jurors in so many cases all across the country. This is an incredible burden for these common everyday people to take on a case like this. What is it like for these jurors as they go through this process?
Every juror I've had the opportunity to speak to, whether it's a misdemeanor case or a murder case, takes that responsibility incredibly seriously. They know what they're dealing with. They know the weight of the decision will stay with them for the rest of their lives, and they really don't want to make a mistake.
In one sense, I think many people wouldn't be surprised that we wouldn't have any verdict until tomorrow at the earliest, because you would think with a decision this serious that these jurors would want to sleep on it.
Well, I agree. Even if we assume they came to a decision in 2 hours, knowing that they have to be absolutely certain, knowing that they don't want to second guess themselves when they start hearing the news and they're out of the jury, they will want to take some time to sleep on it, double check themselves, and be absolutely certain, I'm sure.
All right. John Tompkins, our legal analyst. John, thank you for all of your insight today. So coming up at 5:30, we're going to be talking more about what happened today in the courthouse behind us and talk about what those jurors are going through in what could be the days ahead. But for now, we'll head back to the studio.
All right, Bob, looking forward to more of your coverage live out there from Delphi. CBS 4 will remain outside the courtroom and bring you a verdict a second it comes in. You can always find updates online at cbs4indy.com/Delphi in the meantime.